Random variables are classified as discrete and continuous. So how do we know if the given random variables are discrete or continuous? Let's have first discrete random variables. It says here that discrete random variables are random variables that can take a finite or countable number of distinct values. In other words, these are random variables whose values can be obtained by counting. And values are always in whole numbers. Let's have some examples. The number of siblings in a family, the number of eggs in a tray, the number of enrollees in a school. So as you can see, the values in its random variables can be obtained by counting. Let's say the number of siblings in a family. You can just count the number of siblings. Say 3 siblings. The number of eggs in a tray. Say 15 eggs in a tray. The number of enrollees in a school. Say we have 1,000 enrollees in a school. Okay, how about continuous random variables? It says here that continuous random variables are random variables that can take an infinite or uncountable number of distinct values. In other words, these are random variables whose values can only be obtained by measuring using some measuring devices. And the values are in decimals or in fractions. Let us have some examples. Say the height of a grade 7 student. So the height of a grade 7 student can be obtained by measuring using a measuring device, say a tape measure or a meter stick. You may obtain a height of, let's say, 1.68 meters or 5 feet and 6 inches or 5.5 feet tall. Another, the temperature of a parent entering the school premises. So you can obtain the temperature of a parent using a temperature reading device. You may obtain the temperature, let's say 36.1 degrees Celsius or 96.8 degree Fahrenheit. Another example, the time takes a man underwater. So you can obtain the length of time a man underwater using a stopwatch. You may obtain the amount of time it takes him underwater, say 1.32 minutes.